How to fix Messenger not opening. Go to your App Store, like the App Store or Google Play. Search for Messenger. If there's an update button, hit it to make sure you've got the latest version. Find the Messenger icon on your home screen or wherever you keep your apps. Hold your finger on it until a menu pops up. Look for something like App Info in that menu and tap on it. Once you're in the App Info, find and tap on Storage Usage. Now, hit Clear Cache. Go back to where you found App Info and look for Permissions. Allow all the stuff Messenger needs in there, just be generous with the permissions. Head back to App Info once again and click on Manage Notifications. Make sure the Allow Notifications switch is on. This ensures you get message notifications. Lastly, restart your phone. Just turn it off and back on. This gives everything a good refresh. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on fixing Messenger when it refuses to open. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.